Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to go over some amazing deals going on next week at CVS. Still feeling a little under the weather, so my voice isn't the best, so definitely bear with me. But we are getting so many great coupons on Sunday. That means we're going to have a ton of great deals to use them on. We also have a lot of beginner-friendly deals, so if you don't have any CRTs like I don't, then you can definitely still save on a lot of different products. So I've been hearing a lot lately that a lot of CVS cards are quote-unquote dead. It happened to me last week. I only got 5 CRTs. They were the very generic, like high-value CRTs, meaning like $4 off of 25 or $5 off of 35 or something like that. So let me know in the comments if you experienced that as well. Fingers crossed it's just an end of the year thing and it doesn't take months to fix. That's what I've heard happens when your card randomly dies. Not really sure what goes on with that, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated. And if you are new to my channel, take a second and hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out on any easy deals and ways that you can save every single day for the new year. It is almost 2022. I'm so excited for the new year. So let's start off on the right foot, saving lots of money. The inserts. So we're getting 4 inserts. We have not been getting that many good inserts with the end of the year, which always happens. So we are getting 4 inserts, 2 different Smart Source inserts and 2 different Save inserts. I already ordered mine from BQ. It's linked below in the description box of all of my videos. And if you use code BREE10, you'll get 10% off your first order. So a 4-pack means 4 of each insert. So you'll get 4 of each of the Smart Source and 4 of each of the Save. So that's what I always order from because they arrive in 2 to 3 days. Never had any issues. Her inserts have never been incorrect or the order messed up or anything like that. She also offers previews so you can see exactly what coupons you're getting, what the value is. You can read the coupons, the whole 9 yards on her website. And I show you exactly how to order it and navigate the website on my Instagram highlights. So if you don't follow me there, definitely head over to my Instagram. It's Bree Coupon Queen 1. Couple updates. I do still have the free webinar for how to find deals at CVS. So if you're struggling with what to do, what the process is to start putting together some deals for yourself, definitely check out that free webinar. It is linked below in the description box, or you can go to my website, breecouponqueen.com. Click shop at the top. That has all my products, all my freebies, everything is listed there for you. I also have my 3-day couponing workshop, which is going to be January 10th, 11th, and 12th. So if you want to learn how to coupon, how to keep your out-of-pocket below $10 every single time, and how to scale your savings, this is definitely going to be for you. So let me show you everything that we are going to be going over in this workshop. Okay, so when you get to my website and you click shop at the top, you're going to click the couponing workshop. This is the 3-day couponing workshop. So previously, I used to offer 2 separate classes, one for beginners and one for advanced. But a lot of people were only picking one class and they weren't taking both, so they weren't getting the full scope of how to coupon. Whether they would take the beginner class and know how to read coupons, where to get them, but then they wouldn't know how to put together transactions, read the weekly ads to keep your out-of-pocket super low. So couponing is a full range, right? You have to understand all of it to be able to save the most money and maximize how much products you're getting for the cost. So this is going to be 3 live classes. All the classes are going to be recorded, so if you miss one of them or if you have to pop off early, that's okay. Every single person is going to get the recordings of all the live classes. So that way you can watch them whenever you want, rewatch them as many times as you want, so you can get all the information. So it's going to be $35 and it includes all 3 classes. So the first day, we're going to be going over the beginner couponing information, where to get coupons, how to use digital coupons, how to read coupons, how to organize them, and printable coupons. Then day 2, we're going over some of the advanced information. how to read the weekly ads, how to put together deals, how to organize your transactions to keep your out-of-pocket super low and roll your rewards. We're going to be going over the checkout process as well. That way things can go as smoothly as possible for you. I know a lot of people get really nervous about checkout with what if things don't go right? How do you make sure that your coupons are going to work? What order you should give them to the cashier? So I'm going to be going over all of that for you guys in this workshop on day 2. Then day 3 is going to be the bonus day, how to scale your savings. So we're going to be going over the 3 rebate apps, Ibotta, Flooz, and Fetch Rewards. That way you can start getting some additional cash back. Ibotta is the rebate app that I saved the most money with this year. I think it was about $4,500 or something like that cash back, which is amazing. Also going to be going over some stock up prices to give you a general idea of what is a good deal and what is not, how to track your savings, and the best money saving tips and strategies that I've implemented over the last few years to actually be able to save that money and see your savings. That's how I've been able to pay off my credit card debt the first year. This year, I was able to pay off my truck as well early to save on all of the interest payments, which is thousands of dollars. So if you want to enroll, you can just click this button right here. Again, they'll be recorded, so everyone will get the recordings. Here's the times for the lives as well. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment below, or you can always DM me on Instagram. I always answer my DMs on Instagram. So that's another great way to reach out to me. Now let's pop back over to the amazing deals at CVS. Okay, spend $30, get a $10 extra buck. This deal is always a limit of 1. What you can do, the Lysol 80 count wipes, fingers crossed my store is restocked with those. They were out last week. They are buy one, get one free, and they're $7.79. So you're going to grab 2. And Huggies diapers are included, 2 for $22. So if your store follows the 98% rule, 98% of $30 is $29.40. So as long as you have more than that in product value, the $10 extra buck will print. We have a buy one, get one free Lysol digital coupon. If you haven't used it yet, that expires on January 8th. We have a 2 off 2 Huggies digital we're getting, and check to see if you have a 4 off 20 diaper CRT. You'll pay $18.80 out of pocket or with extra bucks. Get back a $10 extra buck, makes it $8.80 for 4 products or $2.20 each, which is an incredible deal because even the Lysol wipes are $7.79 a piece. So to get them for $2.20 is about 75% off. So very, very good deal. And here is a great deal on Crest. If you have this Crest CRT, had to update this. Thank you so much for letting me know we do not have $2 coupons in our January PG. Got that confused, so I wanted to make sure I updated these deals for you guys. So a lot of people have 2 off 8 Crest CRTs, so definitely double check, see what you have. Fingers crossed I get some new ones next week, and everyone else who has quote unquote dead cards. So with this deal, you'll grab 3 of them. Use the $2 digital and the 2 off 8 Crest CRT. You'll pay $7.97, get back a $5 extra buck, makes them 99 cents a piece. I still say $1 or less for oral care is not a bad price, and we're going to pay less than 99 cents a piece at the end when I show you the example transactions. Here's another beginner-friendly deal. Anyone can go to CVS next week and grab this deal. We are getting a 2 off 2 instant coupon next week. So you can find that in the CVS app, go to Deals and Rewards, or if you go to CVS, you can print it at the red box. So grab 2 L'Oreal for $8, use the 3 off 2 digital coupon, use that instant coupon. You'll pay $3 for 2 or $1.50 per bottle of hair care. So I personally like L'Oreal, so I'm really excited to do this deal. It also tracks towards CVS Beauty, so it'll help you hit that $30 for the month and get the free beauty product. They are spend $20, get a $4 extra buck, and they're buy one, get one half off. What you can do is grab 2 of the Aleve 100 count for $11.99 and one of the 50 count for $8.99. That'll bring you to $26.97. We have $2 Aleve coupons for the 50 count coming in our 1-2 inserts. 2 $3 Aleve coupons for the 80 or more count, same inserts of course, and check to see if you have a 4 off 20 pain relief CRT. You'll pay $14.97, get back a $4 extra buck, makes it $11.97 for 3 products or $3.99 each. Still not a bad deal because you're getting 250 count of Aleve, and these are really expensive. So to get it for $3.99 is still about, a 65% savings on the 100 count. So definitely a good stock up price. Okay, Colgate. They are they're buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. This deal is a limit of 2, and they're $3.99 each. So grab 2, use 2 of the $2 coupons we're getting in our 1-2 Smart Source. You'll pay $3.98, get back a $3 extra buck, makes it 98 cents for 2 or 49 cents a piece. So here is that transaction I'm letting you know about using the 4 off 25 oral care CRT. So we are going to be grabbing all Colgate in this deal. So what we're going to be doing is this deal on the right, we're going to be doing this twice. Once we're grabbing 2 mouthwash and once we're grabbing 2 of the toothbrushes because this deal is a limit of 2. So what you're going to do is grab 2 of the toothbrushes, 2 of the mouthwash, and 2 of the Colgate from the previous deal that I shared with you. You're going to use 2 $2 off 1 toothbrush coupons, 2 $2 off 1 toothpaste coupons, and 2 $2 off 1 mouthwash coupons. All of those coupons are a limit of 2. Then you'll add in the 4 off 25 oral care CRT. You'll pay $9.94 out of pocket, get back a $3 extra buck and $6 in extra bucks for doing this deal twice. Makes your final cost 94 cents for all 6 products or 15 cents a piece. So almost free, but still an amazing deal. Suave is buy 1, get 1 half off. It's not supposed to be a dollar sign. That should be a percent sign. Sorry about that. And buy 2, get a $2 extra back. So if you go to suave.com, you can sign up for their emails. So just go to suave.com. It'll typically ask you, sign up for our program. They'll send you emails with different coupons. So definitely do that. And you can grab 2 of the Suave hair that are $3.29. Second one would be half off. Using that $1 off 2 coupon, you'd pay $3.93, get back a $2 extra buck, makes them 97 cents a piece, which is a great deal. $1 or less for hair care, definitely a great deal. Now let's pop into those transactions. So transaction 1, you are going to do that oral care deal. So grabbing all of those products, you're at $25.94. You have $16 in coupons and CRTs. You'll pay $9.94 plus taxes out of pocket. So you can either grab 2 $10 gift cards from Flues. If you have vouchers to use on your Flues app, then you'll get back $3.95 per $10 gift card that you buy. Or you can get Fetch Rewards gift cards, which doesn't cost you anything. Because Fetch Rewards, what you're doing is exchanging your points for gift cards, so it doesn't cost you anything to get the gift cards. Then you'll get back a $3 extra buck and a $6 extra buck. Transaction 2, you're going to grab the 2 Suave hair care for $4.93 and the L'Oreal for $8. Coupons, we have $6 worth, so you would pay $6.93 plus taxes out of pocket. But you have a $6 extra buck from the first transaction. So hand that to the cashier. You'll pay now 93 cents plus taxes with the same gift cards, whether it's Flues or Fetch Rewards. Then you're also going to get back another $2 extra buck for the Suave deal. So let's go into our final cost. If you went the Flues route, you paid $20, you got 2 separate $10 gift cards, and you got back $3.95 per gift card. You also have about $7 left over on your second gift card. So your final cost is now $5.10 for $38.87 worth of products, which is an amazing deal. Or if you went the Fetch gift card route, whether you got one $25 gift card or two $10 gift cards, your final cost is still zero because it doesn't cost you anything for Fetch Rewards gift cards. So if you guys have any questions about this, definitely drop a comment below. Don't forget to smash the like button on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.